22 4-pound bags. So that was 88 pounds of laundry that went into this tote. And that pop swallowed it up real bad. This is one thick sponge, baby. That is a thick sponge. I like it. Lord, my man gonna cuss me out, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Y'all know I just say it like this, right? Yes, everything went in, sister. Everything went in. It went down in here tonight. Y'all just came in here and showed out. It actually smells really good, but I like how pop smells. If you don't like how pop smells, then you're gonna say no. But it smells really good. It's strong. I got my nose running. Good thing I put down tarp. All I gotta do is pick this tarp up. Clean talkers, use tarp. Don't be like me. Use tarp. It's gonna save your life. They sell big ass tarps at Dollar Tree for $3. Get you one, or two, or five. How many you need to cover your space. If you enjoyed the overload tonight, drop green hearts in the chats for your girl. Thank y'all so much for being here. I think we are good and smoothed out at this point. Now the real work begins. The fun is over. Now for the cleaning. This is gonna be so easy to dump though. I wouldn't say this anyways. All this tidy bowl in here and wintergreen, negative. If you appreciate the senders who supported this live tonight, drop red hearts in the chat for the senders. Misha, where was your antennas, girl? We did 2 overloads. This is the second one, not the first one. Excuse me? The oil overload, I'll show you. It's starting to separate a little bit. I gotta go get that. I got 3 things to dump. Even though I know that's right, Ariel. That's how you support right there, sister. I was out in the street. You ain't wrong. Touching. I see it's a little. Now, I will say, it's trying to curl up. Y'all see all the clumps in it? It was way smoother than this. So something inside of this paste is trying to curdle up, which is very much giving strange. But the paste is tea. If it wasn't lumpy. I kind of want to add baby oil to my overloads more often. Because this was the first time when I washed my hands after playing in paste that my skin didn't feel dry. It's almost giving like a pasty glue. Like it almost feels sticky. Okay, y'all, who is on? Who house am I about to send everybody to? Who on tonight? Squeeze, please. I know be on late night. Indy. Are any of them on? Indy, squeeze, please. Who else be on late night? Ammonia. Mixed with Lena. Missing you is all that I've been thinking of. This is pretty good. Look, y'all done got me started. Let me get the hell up out this paste. Squeeze Please is doing an all blue overload with Ajax. Okay, y'all. So y'all go over to Squeeze Please house. Thank y'all so much for being here. I love y'all real bad. I took half of this and poured it in another tote because I couldn't lift it. And my man was playing the game and I was trying to get started. And I'm impatient. So, you know, I feel like I can just be superwoman and do everything by myself. So I just poured half of the paste into a toast and I just moved it to the side. And yeah, now we're here.